Hey there, welcome back. I want you to do something for me right now. Grab the arm of your chair, or if you're standing, just tense your arm. Feel that? That muscle, the one that lets you lift a grocery bag, hug a grandchild, get up out of your favorite chair on your own steam. That is your sovereignty. That is your independence. And there's a silent thief slowly trying to take it away from you, from every single one of us after 60. It's called sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss. And most people just accept it as an inevitable fact of aging. They shrug and say, well, what can you do? They get a little weaker, a little more frail, a little more dependent every single year. But what if I told you that was a lie, a complete and total myth? What if I told you that you could not just slow down this process, but reverse it, that you could rebuild the vibrant, strong, energetic body of your younger years start right now, today, and the most powerful tool you have isn't in a gym, it's on your plate. Stay with me, because today we are declaring war on muscle loss. We are going to dive deep into the one food, the ultimate protein source, that can ignite muscle protein synthesis like nothing else for us over 60, and I'm going to give you the simple, delicious, powerful blueprint to use it to reclaim your vitality. This isn't just about adding years to your life. It's about adding life to your years. Let's get started. You know, for decades, the conversation around aging and nutrition was so passive. It was all about prevention, about slowing decline, about managing conditions. Take this to keep your bones from getting too brittle. Eat that to maybe avoid heart trouble. It was a narrative of defense. But the groundbreaking science of the last 10, 15 years has completely flipped the script. We are no longer on the defensive. We are on the offensive. We are talking about building, actively building. And to do that, we have to understand the enemy sarcopenia intimately. It's not just getting smaller. It's a perfect storm of physiological changes. First, there's what we call anabolic resistance. Now that's a fancy term. But stick with me. It's the key to everything. When you were 25, you'd eat a chicken breast, and your muscles would practically sing, grabbing those amino acids, those building blocks of protein, and weaving them into new muscle tissue efficiently. It was like your muscles were hungry, eager construction workers. After 60, it's like those workers have become a bit deaf, a bit sluggish. You send the same signal, the same chicken breast, but the response is muted. Your muscles need a louder, clearer, more potent signal to get the same building job done. It's not that you can't build muscle, you just need a more powerful blueprint. The second part of this storm is a natural decline in hormones like testosterone and growth hormone, which are foremen on the muscle construction site. And third, often coupled with this, is a phenomenon called the protein gap. Many of us, consciously or unconsciously, start eating less protein as we age. Appetites change. Chewing might be an issue. Old dietary fears about protein and kidneys, largely debunked for healthy individuals, by the way, persist. So we're sending a weaker signal to muscles that are already resistant to listening, and we're sending less of it. It's a recipe for decline. But here's the glorious, empowering flip side. We can intervene at every single point. We can turn up the volume of the signal. We can make the construction workers listen. And we can give them premium materials. And that's where our secret weapon food comes in. But before we unveil it, we have to shatter one of the biggest myths in senior nutrition, the recommended dietary allowance, the RDA, for protein. The RDA says about 0.8 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. For a 160-pound person, that's about 58 grams a day. That amount is essentially the dose to prevent outright deficiency, to keep you from getting sick. It is not, I repeat, not the amount for optimal health, for vitality, and certainly not for fighting sarcopenia. That's like saying the minimum wage is the optimal income for a fantastic lifestyle. It's just not true. The latest research from leading gerontologists and sports scientists suggests that for us over 60, actively wanting to build and preserve muscle, we need to aim for between 1.2 and 1.6 grams per kilogram. That same 160-pound person, they should be targeting 87 to 116 grams of protein per day. That's nearly double the old advice. And it needs to be spread out, not dumped in one big meal. Our bodies can only utilize so much protein at once for muscle synthesis. About 25 to 35 grams per meal is the sweet spot. So, 3 to 4 meals a day, each with a solid, high-quality protein source. This is the foundational strategy. But not all proteins are created equal. This is the critical concept of protein quality. and it's measured by something called the Digestible Indispensable Amino Acid Score, or DIAS. Think of protein as a chain made of different links, called amino acids. 9 of these are indispensable or essential, meaning our bodies cannot make them, we must eat them. A high-quality protein source is one that contains all 9 of these essential amino acids in the right proportions that our human bodies need, and it's highly digestible. It's a complete, efficient package. Many plant proteins, and I love plants, we'll get to them, are incomplete. They might be missing or low in 1 or 2 key amino acids, like leucine or methionine. You can combine them to make a complete protein, which is great, but the efficiency, the bang for your buck per gram, is often lower. So, while beans and lentils are fantastic for fiber and overall health, they aren't the most potent trigger for muscle protein synthesis on their own. We need the gold standard. We need the protein source that has the highest DIAS score, the one that's most bioavailable, the one that contains the most potent trigger of all, the amino acid leucine. Leucine is not just a building block, it's the foreman, the master switch, the ignition key. It's the specific amino acid that directly activates the mTOR pathway, which is the cellular machinery that says, all right, team, time to build muscle right here, right now. For a young person, a modest amount of leucine can throw this switch. For us, with our anabolic resistance, we need a stronger, more concentrated leucine signal to get the same effect. We need a leucine threshold to be crossed at every meal to ensure muscle building is turned on. This is the heart of the strategy. We need to choose protein sources that are not only complete, but are exceptionally rich in this specific, powerful amino acid. And that finally brings us to our number 1 absolute champion food for ending sarcopenia fast. Drum roll, please. It's the incredible edible egg. But not just any part of it. We're talking specifically about egg whites. Now, hold on. I can hear some of you already. Eggs? That's it? I've been eating eggs for decades, and you might be thinking of the whole egg, the yolk, the cholesterol debates. Let me be crystal clear and specific. For the purpose of maximum muscle protein synthesis with minimal extra calories for the purest, most concentrated, most bioavailable source of protein that is supremely rich in leucine, egg white protein is the undisputed king for seniors. Let me break down why it's in a league of its own. First, its biological value. Biological value measures how efficiently your body can use the protein you consume. Egg protein has long been the gold standard, set at 100. Everything else is measured against it. Whey protein, a favorite of bodybuilders, actually scores higher, around 104, but it's a dairy derivative and can cause digestive issues for many adults. Egg white protein, however, is hypoallergenic for most, incredibly easy to digest, and for our purposes, its score is perfect. Second, its amino acid profile. Egg whites are a complete protein, and they are loaded with leucine. In fact, about 8.6% of the protein in egg whites is leucine. To hit that crucial muscle-building leucine threshold of about 2.5 to 3 grams per meal, you don't need a mountain of food. A serving of egg whites from about 3 to 4 large eggs provides around 50 grams of pure, magnificent protein and crosses that leucine threshold beautifully. Third, its versatility and simplicity. This isn't some exotic, expensive superfood from a remote mountain. This is a staple. You can buy cartons of pure liquid egg whites at any grocery store. They're pasteurized, so they're safe to drink raw if you want, though cooking is usually preferred. They have 0 fat, 0 cholesterol, and are almost pure protein and water. You can scramble them, make omelets, add them to smoothies, bake with them. They are a culinary blank slate. For anyone with dental issues or decreased appetite, a protein-packed smoothie with egg whites, some fruit, and a handful of spinach is a lifesaver. It goes down easy and delivers a powerhouse of building blocks. Now, what about the yolk? The yolk is a nutritional powerhouse in its own right, full of choline for your brain, vitamins A, D, E, K, and healthy fats. For overall health, whole eggs are fantastic. But remember our specific mission, ending sarcopenia fast. We are in a targeted campaign. The yolk contains fat and cholesterol, but more relevantly, it dilutes the protein concentration. By weight, egg whites are about 10% protein, while whole eggs are about 6%. If your goal is to maximize protein intake to hit those daily 1.2 to 1.6 grams per kilogram targets without overloading on calories. Egg whites are your precision tool. Think of it this way, you can get 25 grams of protein from about 1 cup of liquid egg whites, roughly 125 calories. To get that from whole eggs, you'd need about 4 large eggs, which comes with about 20 grams of fat and 280 calories. For someone trying to manage weight while building muscle, the egg white option is often superior. So, the strategy becomes use egg whites as your primary, leucine-rich, anabolic, resistance-busting protein foundation at 1 or even 2 meals a day. Then, for other meals, diversify with other high-quality sources like Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, lean, poultry, fish, and for our plant-based friends, we'll craft a plan using strategic combinations. But egg white is our spearhead. It's nature's most perfect muscle-building protein for our age group. And the best part? It's simple, affordable, and it works fast. So we have our champion. But a champion alone doesn't win the war. We need a full battle plan. A symphony isn't just one loud note. It's the harmony of many instruments. Egg whites are our first violin, but we need the entire orchestra. Let's build out your daily eating strategy, your Sarcopenia-Fighting plate. Imagine your plate at each meal. 1/4 to 1/3 of that plate should be dedicated to our high-quality protein source. That's your egg whites, your lean meat, your fish, your Greek yogurt. This is non-negotiable. It's the cornerstone. But we don't build muscle out of protein alone. The other critical instrument in our orchestra is resistance training. You must provide the mechanical stimulus. Eating all that protein without giving your muscles a reason to grow is like delivering a pile of bricks and lumber to a construction site with no blueprints and no workers. The signal from the protein and the signal from the exercise work synergistically. After a strength session, and this doesn't have to mean heavy barbells, it can be bodyweight exercises, resistance bands, or light dumbbells. Your muscles are primed, sensitive, eager for those amino acids. You've temporarily reduced the anabolic resistance. So, timing matters. Aim to have a protein-rich meal, or at least a snack containing our star, egg whites, within an hour or two after your workout. A post-workout smoothie with a half cup of egg whites, a banana, and some almond milk is a perfect example. Now let's fill the rest of that plate. Another 1/4 should be healthy carbohydrates. This is your energy source. Sweet potatoes, quinoa, brown rice, oats, fruits. Carbs are not the enemy. They spare protein from being used for energy, allowing it to do its muscle-building job. And the final half of your plate? A rainbow of vegetables. The micronutrients, antioxidants, and fiber in vegetables are the support crew. They reduce inflammation, which can drive muscle breakdown, support overall cellular health, and keep your gut healthy for optimal nutrient absorption. And let's not forget hydration. Muscle tissue is about 75% water. Even mild dehydration can impair muscle function and recovery. Sip water consistently throughout the day. Now, let's talk about a typical day on this plan. Wake up, breakfast. Instead of just toast and jam, let's power up. Scramble a cup of liquid egg whites with some spinach, mushrooms, and a sprinkle of turmeric. Have a slice of whole grain toast on the side. That's 25+ grams of protein right there, crossing your leucine threshold and setting a powerful anabolic tone for the day. Mid-morning, if you're hungry, have a Greek yogurt. Lunch, a large salad with a palm-sized portion of grilled chicken or salmon, lots of veggies, and a vinegar-based dressing. Or, if you want to keep the egg white theme, a fantastic egg white salad made with mashed, hard-boiled egg whites, Greek yogurt, celery, and herbs, served in a whole wheat wrap. Pre- or post-afternoon walk, or light resistance band workout, a smoothie. Here's a great recipe. 1/2 cup pasteurized liquid egg whites. They blend in completely, no taste. A handful of frozen berries, a big handful of spinach, a tablespoon of ground flaxseed, and water or unsweetened almond milk. Blend until smooth. It's creamy, delicious, and packs another 13 to 15 grams of pristine protein. Dinner, let's vary the protein. A nice piece of cod or trout, lean beef stir-fry, or lentils and brown rice for a plant-based option. Always with vegetables and a smart carb. And even a small, protein-focused snack before bed, like a cup of cottage cheese or a casein protein shake. Provide a slow release of amino acids to your muscles overnight, fighting the catabolic state of fasting. This pattern, repeated daily, creates a constant state of muscle protein synthesis support. It's a tide that lifts all boats. But what about challenges? I hear you. I don't have a big appetite. This is where the efficiency of egg whites shines. You can drink your protein in a smoothie with minimal volume. I'm on a budget. Compare a carton of egg whites to cuts of meat or fish. It's incredibly cost-effective per gram of protein. I'm vegetarian or vegan. This requires more careful planning, but it's absolutely possible. You'll need to combine complementary plant proteins more deliberately to ensure you're getting all essential amino acids and enough leucine. Soy products like tofu and tempeh are your best complete plant proteins. A combination of rice and beans, or hummus and whole wheat pita, can work. However, to hit the higher protein and leucine targets, many plant-based seniors wisely incorporate a vegan protein powder blend from pea, rice, and hemp into their smoothies. It's about being intentional. The core principle remains: prioritize protein at every meal, aim for that 1.2 to 1.6 gram per kilogram target, and use the most potent, leucine-rich sources available to you. For most people, that's egg whites. This isn't a fad diet. This is nutritional biochemistry applied to the glorious process of aging. It's taking control of the narrative. You are not destined to wither. You are designed to adapt, to strengthen, to thrive. Every bite of that egg white scramble, every sip of that smoothie is a direct message to your body: we are building. We are not declining. We are moving forward stronger. This journey we're on, it's about more than muscles. It's about what those muscles represent. The strength to get down on the floor and play with your grandkids and get back up again with ease. The vitality to travel, to garden, to dance, to embrace all the adventures life still has in store for you. It's about independence, dignity, and joy. Sarcopenia is not your fate. It is a challenge, and like any challenge, it can be met with knowledge and action. You now hold that knowledge. You know about anabolic resistance. You know about the protein gap and the outdated RDA. You know about the supreme importance of leucine as the master switch. And you know about your most powerful ally in the kitchen, the humble, mighty egg white. You have the blueprint. The science is clear. The path is laid out. But here's the thing: knowledge without action is just a library. Your body is waiting for the signal. It is an amazing, adaptive machine that will respond to the right inputs, no matter your age. It's never too late to start sending those signals, so here is my call to action for you today. I don't want you to make a huge, overwhelming change. Start with one meal. Tomorrow morning for breakfast, I want you to try it. Scramble up some egg whites. Make that smoothie. Hit that leucine threshold at your very first meal and see how you feel. Feel the power of knowing you are directly combating muscle loss with your fork. Then, do it again the next day. Build that habit. Pair it with some simple strength movements: chair squats, wall push-ups, lifting a couple of cans of beans. You are the architect of your vitality. If this resonated with you, if you felt that spark of "I can do this," then do me a favor. Hit that like button. It helps this message reach more amazing people like you. Subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell, because every week we dive deep into practical, science-backed strategies just like this one to help you live your strongest, healthiest life after 60. Share this video with a friend, with your spouse, with anyone you care about who deserves to know that getting older doesn't mean getting weaker. Let's build a community of vitality. Share your start in the comments below. I read every single one, and I love cheering you on. Tell me, I'm starting with the egg whites tomorrow. Let's get that conversation going. Remember, you are not defined by a number. You are defined by your strength, your spirit, and your actions. Now, go fuel that strength. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, stay strong, stay vibrant, and keep building.